In this video, I will show you step by step how to delete all messages from one specific user on Discord. First, open the Google Chrome on your computer and go to Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, search for Undiscord Message Deleter. Now, once you find the extension, click on Add to Chrome and install it. After the extension has been installed, you want to open Discord in your browser and sign into your account. Next, open the conversation or server where the messages from the user are located. Click Extensions icon in the top right corner of Chrome, then select Undiscord Message Deleter. Inside the extension, choose the User Only option. Now select the user whose messages you want to delete. Once you have selected the user, click Start Deletion. When prompted, click on I agree to confirm. The extension will then begin removing all messages from that specific user. And that's it. In this way, you can delete all messages from one user on Discord. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.